video, I'm going to be doing a Thanksgiving themed bake with me, and this is a collab with
Dan Lynn Nicole.
Go check out her channel because I love it so much and she has so many great videos and you should check them all out. Her links will be in the description box below. So I can get on to the video now. Okay.
So for the first treat idea, you will need pudding, marshmallows, and Oreos. So I crunched up the Oreos and then I put the pudding and the Oreos in a cup, and once that was done I put the marshmallows on top of the cup and it was done. So for my second treat idea, I used apple slices, chocolate chips, marshmallows, and caramel. I put the apples on a plate and then I poured the caramel all over them, and then once I poured the caramel all over them, I put the chocolate chips and marshmallows on top, and then it was done. For my next treat idea, you will need cupcake mix. I poured the cupcake mix into a bowl and I followed the instructions on the box. Then I mixed it together and I poured it into the cupcake holders, and then I put it into the oven. Once it was done, I put Thanksgiving cupcake toppers and then it was done. For my last treat idea, I used cookie mix and fall M&Ms. I poured the cookie mix into the bowl and then I followed the instructions on the package. Then I poured the fall M&Ms and white chocolate chips into the mix. Then I mixed it all together and I took it out of the bowl and arranged it on the baking sheet, and then I put it into the oven.
Okay, so that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, and add me on Snapchat because I had every single person back. And my goal of the year is to hit 20,000 subscribers. So please subscribe to help me get there. I think that's all I have to say. So goodbye. Hey guys, so... Oh god, that was bad.